Okay, so I've come to the last bit of my demo, and I'll be covering the reporting module of the Acumatica system. So there are several types of reports that you can create on the Acumatica system. These include the standard reports, your financial reports, generic inquiries, and pivot tables. And because Acumatica is a live system, all your data is in real time, and it actually produces drillable reports, and all the data is easily retrievable. So I'm going to show you how the standard report is done. I will do a report of the sales order, and I'm going to segment this sales order by customers. So here I want to further filter it by warehouses, and I'm going to put a start date of a year ago. And I'm going to save this template. Okay, so now that I've saved this template, I can always come back to this report again. So from here, I'm going to run the report. So as you can see, all these blue fields are where my drillable functionality is. So I could easily look into any one of these reference numbers, and it will pull out the source document, which is the sales order in this case. So this is really good for really getting a lot of details and the maximum out of your reporting function, because you're able to quickly navigate from one document to the other, especially if you need to do some further investigations or etc., or if you just wanted to really understand your business insights. So I'll come back to my report here. One function that you can really gain a lot of value out of is the grouping function. So because my sales orders are grouped by customers, I can easily select a customer here, and it will bring me to the section where the customer accounts lie. And once I've seen this report, I can click on the send button, and what this will do is it will attach my report as a PDF file, and from here I can send it to the relevant departments, type in a message, and they'll be able to get the report. And this is able to be done on a scheduled basis, but you really do not have to, because if you send it on a scheduled basis, then it will come as a PDF file. And if you really wanted drillable information, as long as the user has access to the report, then it is, well, at least personally from me, it is advisable for you to come in to look at the report anytime you want. You can print it out from here as well. So next, I wanted to show you the finance reporting. So under my finance workspace here, I'm going to go into the profit and loss. And from here, I'm going to run the report. So again, all these blue highlighted items are my drillable fields. So I'm going to click into the total sales revenues, and I'll be able to see all these sub accounts and information related to this the general ledger entries. And again, I can drill down even further into all these sub-accounts. So coming back to my profit and loss statement, again, I can use the grouping function, and I can group this by, let's say, branch. So now you can see the report is different and it is actually filtered by branches. So moving along, I am going to show you how you can set up a general inquiry on the Acumatica system. So I will come to my customization function over here, and I'm going to do a generic inquiry. So for example, if I wanted to look into all the invoiced items, and I'll click on View Inquiry. I'll be able to see all the information related to the invoice items here, and all this is completely drillable. So if I am going to open this one up, it will actually take me to the related information. There. So as what I did with the generic inquiry, now I'm going to do a pivot table. So I'm on my customization workspace here, and I'm going to click on pivot tables instead this time. And let's say I'm going to look at the same item here we did earlier, which is the invoice items. Oh, hang on. I made a mistake. Okay. Invoiced items, and I am going to put in a filter, say state. Right, I'm going to save this. There, I always forget to save the name, so okay, let's do this invoiced items pivot. There we go. And then I'm going to view the pivot table. So here we have our pivot table with the state filter that we added in, and a couple of other filters that we have set on our system to be automatically included. So this is where it gets interesting, because then I'll show you how to apply the filters. So I'm just going to drag and drop the state filter here. And what this is going to do is it's going to adjust the way that the data is being presented. And now you're going to see that state is now an additional filter on every quarter of the year. So there my additional state filter is there. And for example, if I wanted to then change the way that I actually do the filtering, and now I want to shift the filter into the columns side. And now you can see all my inventory is filtered by state. So this shows you how easily you can actually just apply filters and really get the information that you want in the way you want it. All right, so one last trick up my sleeve that I have is the customization of the menu so that you're able to see the items that you want to see um, easier and faster. So if I come back here and I go to sales orders, I'm going to edit how my menu looks. And I'm going to add a menu item. So I had my invoice items inquiry from earlier. And you see that right here, the invoice items has already been added onto my menu. So I'm just going to exit the menu edit. Okay, pardon me. I had to check on it. And I'm going to exit. And now you see inquiries. My invoice items is already added onto my menu, so I can get to it anytime I need to. So that's the end of my demo. I hope I've been able to present it in a way that you are able to relate to the system and really see how much it can benefit you. So in summary, what I've shown you is the overview demo of the Acumatica system. So we went through the UX and the UI. I also did an order to invoice demo. I've shown you the CRM capabilities, the mobile interface approval process, and I've just done the reporting module. So in essence, what I really wanted to drive back is that Acumatica is an adaptable cloud solution. Not only on cloud, it can actually be installed on premise and on your private cloud as well. It is very mobile, so you can use and access the critical information that lies in your system anywhere, at any time, on any device, as long as you have access to the internet. So this really gives you streamlining of your core business processes so that you can focus on what you want to or what you do best. And because of the adaptability of the system, then you'll be able to empower your team to do more and do better. So, and because Acumatica gives you dimensional reporting and real-time business intelligence, so using the Acumatica system, then you can always be sure that you'll be ready to make critical business decisions needed to future-proof your business.